Jack here, and I've got with me the super cool Aspiron multifunctional stick vacuum cleaner. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. Now, I'm holding the main body of the vacuum cleaner. This is the part that plugs in, and it's got a 30-foot cord, so it's gonna reach no matter where you go. The main container here is right in this section. You can press down this button and detach it very easily. You'll take the filter out, dump it out, and super easy, super clean. It does come with an extra filter, which is really cool, and both of them do seem to be washable, so you can keep your vacuum clean and running well. The power button is right here on this section, and like I said, it's a multi-functional, multi-piece vacuum cleaner. So you've got this piece right here, which is the bottom floor piece. There are no brushes on this. It's just a really nice large tray type area, and this is really great for pet hair and also for just large sections of dust. To attach it, it's very simple. You're just going to pop it into the bottom like so. You can see it adjusts however you need it, and you could use it like this if you wanted to. Nice and short, nice and cool. Now, there is the stick part, the handle, nothing fancy on here. It's just a pole, but it will actually extend into the bottom here, which is really nice. There's your full-size vacuum cleaner. Very quick, very easy to use. Now, there are a bunch of other accessories, which is really nice, and this has a very good, strong suction power, so no matter what you throw at it, it's gonna handle the job. There's a straight end right here, which goes on like so. This is great for working inside of crevices, cleaning around the edges of the walls in your carpet or in your furniture. Very nice and very good. It could also work in the car. Now, it is in there really snug, but you just pull it out and that's that. Now, there's another adapter right here. This you need to use for the other tools, so that goes in there, turning this into a circle. And now you've got a little brushy piece, which goes on the end here. Really great for cleaning curtains, cleaning your couches, your furniture, anything where you want a soft brush to kind of help pick up that hair or that dirt. The next piece is this really long, really cool kind of extendable straw type device that allows you to reach all those hard to reach places with this Aspiron stick vacuum cleaner. Now, even in its largest setup, this vacuum is so light and so easy to use. I mean, kids could use this, older people could use this. It's so light and easy. You're never gonna run into any issues getting fatigued with a vacuum like this because, again, it's just super light. Now, the cord can actually be wrapped around like so and all the way around so that it's very easy to store, very out of the way, and very neat and clean. Now, you can also prop this up against the wall very easily and keep it out of the way and always have a vacuum ready without taking up a ton of space, which I really love. You can see it's very easy to clean drapes, very easy to clean your furniture, very easy to reach in those hard to reach places. And I'm really loving this Aspiron little stick vacuum cleaner. If you're looking for a easy to use, small, light vacuum cleaner that's super adjustable and adaptable, I think this Aspiron is a great option. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps your purchase decision. I'll see you in the next one.